will be hoping for an exciting match here today.
Well, I've just been handed the team sheets. Let's see how they'll line up. The home team has gone with this lineup. So, the referee gets his match underway. Both teams more than capable of winning it. Which way is it going to go? Passing the ball really well. Limame with the tackle. Good distribution. Played in field. Won the ball. Salah. Great patience here. Wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Salah. And they could be in trouble here. To beat the keeper. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish.
Let's see that one again. They're kicking off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match, though?
Romagnoli, good clearance. Mbappe, there it is, goal. And his teammates join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there.
That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now.
Long ball then.
Well timed then. Great defending. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
They're appealing, but he's onside. He loves to run. He's got the goal in his sights.
Shoots. And that is a fantastic goal. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again.
Oh, this is crisp passing. Alexander-Arnold. Passed well. Now it's Pogba. The keeper collects that one. Oh, and dispossessed there.
Ooh, quality defending there.
Romagnoli, good clearance. Great first half. Let's hope for more of the same. A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? It's 2-1 here. On to play for in the second half. Romagnoli, good clearance.
He's headed the ball forward. Striker's ball.
And there's the shot.
Well cut out. The referee calls play back for an offside. Neymar. Confident pass. Their passing has been so accurate. It's been evenly matched in terms of possession. He quickly cleared the ball. Intercepted. Bruno Fernandes. He kicks the ball away from danger.
Oh, this could be costly. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it?
Neymar.
And they've equalised.
He drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. Goalkeeper stood no chance. Let's take another look at that. Time for a a fresh player to enter the fray.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. Mbappe. He's onside here. Oh, it's a clear chance.
Pulls the trigger. Finds his teammate.
And he hits it.
It's Messi.
Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. He's put some power behind it.
And that's a throw-in.
Oh, there's activity on the bench. Likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly.
Using the width here.
That's nicely played. It's Messi with the ball.
He's gone for it. They've been more composure to get that shot on target.
A chance to have a better look here.
Good ball. He's knocked in long. Here's the shot. Oh, the keeper was well beaten.
And the coach is changing things around. The keeper hits the goal.